In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly join or start a meeting on Microsoft Teams using the online platform. Let's dive right in and simplify the process for a seamless experience. First, you'll want to head over to your browser and navigate to the URL Teams, Microsoft.com. Once you've reached the website, you'll find yourself prompted to sign in with your Microsoft account. Be sure to enter the correct credentials here, as this is key to accessing all the features that Teams has to offer. If you find yourself struggling to remember your password, you can always use the Forgot Password option to recover it, ensuring you won't hit any roadblocks right from the get-go. After successfully logging in, direct your attention to the left part of the screen. This is where your main navigation will reside, and you'll see various icons lined vertically. Look for the calendar icon, the trusty tool that will open the doors to your meetings. Clicking on this calendar icon will present you with your scheduled meetings or give you the option to create a new one. This part of the process is all about planning and preparation, making it essential whether you're attending an existing meeting or setting the stage for a new one. Once you've selected the meeting you want to join, or if you're initiating a fresh meeting, you'll find yourself in the meeting interface. This is your command center for all things audio and visual. Now, take a close look at the meeting toolbar running horizontally across the screen. This is where you'll find everything you need to ensure you are ready to go on camera. Spot the camera icon within the toolbar. It resembles a small video camera. At first glance, you may notice that it has a slash running through it. This indicates that your camera is currently turned off. Such a feature can be quite useful for maintaining privacy until you're ready to be seen. However, when it comes time to engage with your colleagues or participants, you'll need to switch that camera on. To do this, simply click on the camera icon. It's a straightforward action. Clicking it once removes the slash, signaling that your camera is now live and you're visually connected with the meeting attendees. This step is a breeze, yet crucial for active participation, especially when facial expressions and visual cues play a vital role in communication. By following these steps, you're well on your way to mastering Microsoft Teams meetings with ease. With the camera on and your meeting underway, you're ready to engage, collaborate, and contribute effectively. So, give it a try and enjoy the streamlined experience that these tools can bring to your professional and collaborative interactions.